an English drama, The Golden Touch, from Standard 5th, presented by Zila Parishad Urdu Upper Primary School, Dhanki.
What a lot of gold I have, but I wish I had some more. Who are you?
I am a friend.
How did you get in? The door is locked.
Doctors cannot keep me out. What a pile of gold you have there. You must be very rich.
But I want more. I want to be richer. It has taken me many years to get all this gold. I want to get more gold quickly.
Why do you love it so?
Why? Everyone loves gold. It makes you rich. I love to sit in the dark cellar and look at all my gold.
In your garden are flowers and golden sunshine. They are far more beautiful.
Not to me. I like to be here where everything is made of real gold. I wish that everything I touch would turn to gold.
That is a strange wish. Are you sure want to turn everything you touch to gold?
Yes, I am sure. Everything made of gold. I would be so happy.
Then you shall have your wish. Tomorrow morning at sunrise, you shall have the golden touch.
Thank you so much, stranger.
Do not thank me. Perhaps you will be sorry.
Oh no, it's a dream come true.
Good morning, princess. Good morning. Where is the king? He has gone for a walk in the garden. I have been looking for him. Everything is in his bedroom is turned to gold. There he is, the rose garden. Whatever he is doing, he is touching all the roses. No, now he is coming this way. I will go and get his breakfast.
Good morning, Marigold. See what I have brought for you.
Oh, fine yellow rose. Oh, it has no smell and the hard petals and pricked my nose.
What are you crying for? It is a golden rose. All roses in my garden are golden.
Are they all like this one?
Come on now, let's have our breakfast. Oh,
What's the matter? Have you got your mouth?
this fish has turned to gold. I must try an egg. Oh, that has turned to gold. Oh no, what shall I do now?
Tell me what's the matter?
Everything I touch turns to gold. I shall never be able to eat anything.
My poor father, can I help you?
No, don't touch me. Keep away. Oh, Marigold, what have you done? My daughter, my dear Marigold, so full of life, like a ray of sunshine. She is only a golden doll now.
Well, friend Das, what do you say now?
I am the happiest man in the world.
Why you have plenty of gold now?
I don't want this gold. I want my daughter. I want to eat. I want real flowers in my garden. Please take away the golden touch.
Do you really want me to take away the golden touch?
I hate it. Take it away.
Then go and bath in the stream that flows through your garden. Bring back a pitcher of water and sprinkle it upon anything you wish to change from gold.
First, I will sprinkle some water over my dear little Marigold.
What are you doing, father? I have you sprinkled water on my frock.
Let us go into the garden, Marigold. What a fine morning it is.
Yes, let us go and pick some flowers.
Come along then, Marigold. I have to sprinkle this on everything that I touch, and then we will get you some roses, beautiful roses with a lovely smell.
Okay, sir.